Hey guys, welcome back to Code Like a Pro. In this video, we learn how to analyze a YouTube video using Python. In this program, we will give a YouTube link to the program and it will show how many views the video got, what is the video's title, who is the video's author, what is the total time of the video, etc. So let's get started. First, we will install PyTube. I've already installed it, but I'll show you how to install. So all you need to do is type pip install PyTube, just like that, and it will install it for you. Okay, so first you need to type from PyTube import YouTube. Next, we'll create an function which will be function on complete, and we'll give it two values, a stream and a file path. Okay, next we'll print download complete. Next we'll print the file path, and then we'll create another function which we'll name it as on progress. We'll give it this time we'll give it three values. First will be stream, chunk, and byte remaining. Next, we will. Okay, so I have done a mistake over here. By mistake, I just put the colons on the print. Okay, now we are good to go. Next, we'll create another variable which will be progress string. I should be very careful with this particular statement. So, round 100 bytes remaining. Next, stream file size. Stream dot file size. And then we will multiply it by 100. And then outside the bracket we'll keep 2. Okay, so now it's giving me an error. Let's see what's the error. Okay, so I did a spelling mistake on my function, and that's it. Now we are good to go. Next we'll type print the variable we just made, progress string. And then now is the important part. We'll make the variable which will ask us the YouTube link which you have to give, from which it will give the information. Next, we will make another variable which is video object. It will be YouTube link on complete callback equals to, and you should also be careful with this particular statement. So yeah, next callback equals to on complete, and next we'll do on progress. On progress callback equals to on progress. Okay, now we will make Another variable should be on progress. Callback equals to, oh sorry, that's not it. Yeah, next I think so we have to print. So let's do that. Print the title of the video, the title, video object dot title. Next print the length of the video. So print f length round video object dot length by 60 and 2. And then outside these we'll write minutes. Next we'll type how many views did the video get. So print f views, then video object dot views by 1000. So here you can give the value as millions or hundreds also, or tens as well, but I'm giving it as 1000. Next I'll print the creator of this video. So print f author video object dot author. Okay, so that's our code done. Okay, so here I have a link which is from my own video. So now I can enter this link, and here you go. It will tell you the what's the title first. So this was my video, how to track a phone number in Python in 8 lines. The length was 8.88 minutes. Views were 2.56 thousand. And thank you to you guys for giving me so many views. And this was obviously made by me. Code like a pro. Okay.